Hi guys, we're back with a Cupra Ateca, and this time we're going with the 5 things we love and hate whilst having this car for the week. Let's head to it. We're going to start off strong with the things we love, with the boot room. Now the Cupra Ateca has a 485 litre boot, which means you can fit plenty of stuff in it. And can't complain about the room in the back for 3 adults either. Number 2, obviously we have 300 horsepower and 400 newton meters of torque, so that is going to be impressive regardless of the weight. My favourite thing is when you do have that little bit of burst of acceleration, the front end really lifts up. It's quite aggressive and I absolutely love it. Unfortunately, it doesn't capture very well on video, which is the most annoying thing. But yeah, the engine and power in this thing is so much fun. So you've got the mix of practicality and performance. You really can't complain there. Number 3 is going to be the comfort. A 4-hour drive in this felt like nothing. Thanks to the leather bucket seats, you've got your full Apple CarPlay, heated seats and heated steering wheel, plus convenience like cruise control. It was the perfect car for the job. Doing over 500 miles, including to Wales and back, I couldn't fault the Ateca, only praise. The safety and driving packs included predictive cruise and parking camera were a massive bonus, and the seats, well, need I say more? Number 4 is going to be the driving modes. Now, normal Cupras, you do tend to get the Cupra mode, sport mode and individual. On the Formentor, we also got off-road, and on this one, we have a snow mode. And number 5 has to be the style. I mean, just looking at this thing, you know, it means business. Now, we have the VZ3 trim, which means we get some additional goodies. You can already see the car is stunning with aggressive lines and awesome styling. Thanks to the VZ3 trim, we get 19-inch copper alloys and Brembo front calipers. What a combination. I was obsessed. You also get all the perks from all the other trims, including ambient lighting, gorgeous interior and leather bucket seats. I feel like the word hate is a little bit too strong for this car. So here are now the 5 bugbears, or things that I wish I could slightly change. Number 1, we are going to start with the MPG. Now, we've done 533 miles in this car, and that's including going all the way to Wales, motorway, nice little Welsh roads, and of course some town driving as well. And we have gotten a grand total of 31.1 mpg. Now, if you get in a bigger car, you do kind of want some nice mpg, but I'm not going to complain when I've got 300 horsepower under the bonnet. Number 2, I'm going to have to be picky because there's not many things I don't like on this car. So it's going to be the volume up and the next button for your music. It's on opposite sides of the steering wheel. 3 is another one of a little bit of a bugbear. It's something you can live with, but when you are using the cruise control, which the adaptive side of things is amazing, but it only goes up in 5s and not 1s, and sometimes I can find that a little bit annoying. So you have to accelerate up to it to then set it if you want something that isn't a 0 or a 5. Again, something you live with, but I've got to come up with 5 things, haven't I? Number 4, the gearbox. The DSG has 2 modes, drive and sport, so you don't expect it to be its best when it's in drive, but at the peak of its performance. That's what Cupra mode's for. And the same is said for the drive mode D, because a gearbox can be a little bit sluggish sometimes when you put your foot down and you want it to change down. Obviously, putting it into sport is going to solve all of those problems, but sometimes you just want it to be that little bit snappier. And last but not least, number 5. The Ateca is currently too big for my needs, but I still really want one. So we're going to leave it there. It has been an absolutely fantastic car, and I have not complained one little bit whilst we was on that Wales road trip. It did the job perfectly. So there we have it, guys. You all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.